Hi, I'm John with Heartland Service, and in this segment we're going to talk about 6-point level up manual operation. We only want to do this in an emergency or a non-power situation. In order to do this, we're going to need a few tools. We're going to need a cordless screw gun, a flexible 1/4-inch drive extension, a 1/4-inch Allen bit, this will be for the motor operation, and a 5/32 Allen bit to set your hydraulic valve to manual mode. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is locate the hydraulic pump. That is either going to be on your door side compartment or your front compartment. Once you've located your pump and your hydraulic valves, you're going to want to locate the proper valve for your 6-point level up. The easiest way to do this is there's going to be 3 valves inside. 2 of them are going to have labels on them. One's going to say curbside, one is going to say roadside. You'll want to do each side independently. You cannot do both at the same time. I'm going to do the curbside first. In order to do this, we're going to set that curbside valve to manual mode. Once you've located your curbside valve, we're going to insert our 5/32 bit into the bottom of that valve. That set screw we're going to turn clockwise until it stops. Do not over tighten. Once we've got that set into the manual mode, we're going to insert our 1/4-inch bit into the top of the motor. Once we've got that inserted into the top of the motor, we're going to run it clockwise for retract or counterclockwise for extend. Once you've completed bringing the jacks up on the curbside, repeat this process for the roadside. Once we've completed both of those, we'll want to go back and put the valves into normal operation mode. By doing that, we're going to switch back to the 5/32 bit and then reverse those screws until they stop. Again, do not over tighten. Once all your leveling jacks are up, we're ready to travel.